Hi, everybody. This is Andrew Greenwell with AGI Farmobile, and I'm here to give you a quick demo on how to build a product mix and then associate that product mix with a spraying or a spreading activity. First thing you're going to want to do is log into your data engine account. If you need any help with your username or password, feel free to reach out to us. Number two is you're going to come in here and click on the Inputs button. This will first take you to the seed variety screen, which I'll go through in another tutorial. Then go ahead and click on the product mix tab up top here, which will take you to the list of all of the product mixes that have previously been built out for your account. Don't worry if you haven't built any out yet, this list might not show any. Now, let's build a new product mix. So go ahead and click on New Mix. Choose a mix name that is something that you're familiar with. In our case, let's go with Summer Burn Down 1. And then what we're going to input a rate at which we're applying on an acreage basis. So let's go with 20 acres or 20 gallons per acre. Gallons is going to be for a spraying activity, where pounds you might choose for a spreading activity. We'll go ahead and leave it at gallons. Next, we're going to choose the product type. Because it's a burn down, we'll go with a herbicide, and then we're going to select a manufacturer. So choose some common manufacturers here. Then we move on to a product. We use the CDMS database, which has a wide variety of products available. So hopefully anything you have should be available here. And if not, we can surely get it added. And then lastly, you're going to put in how much of this you're adding. So I'm putting in 32, not pounds, but ounces. A key call out here is to make sure you change the unit to the unit that you actually added to the mix. So click that button to add to the mix. Excellent. Now we want to add two more products here. Now I want to add one more herbicide. So I'm going to leave this button the way that it is, but then I'm going to change the manufacturer. So let's go in, choose another common manufacturer, another product, and let's go with 8 ounces. And then now, to add in one more product, I'm actually going to change it off herbicide and change it to an adjuvant. So this is things like water conditioners and the like. And I'm going to go ahead and add some AMS in there. And we'll leave this one at pounds. It's going in dry. Add to the mix. Now, you can see that this mix doesn't add up to the 20 gallons per acre. However, the remaining difference is simply the water that was added, and you don't need to add water into the product mix. So once you have all of the products added, you're going to simply hit the Save button, which will add it to your list. So you can see Summer Burn Down 1 has now been added. Now the question is, how do I take this product mix and associate it with an actual field activity? So let's go back to our dashboard. Click on the dashboard at the top here. And you can see that we have one piece of equipment that's out there spraying actively right now. I can simply click this button or just go ahead and click the machine view. So here we're going to add a product mix to an active, a live view of a spraying machine here. So I'm gonna go with the sprayer. This works exactly the same for a spreader, but you're gonna go in and you're gonna see this tile up top that says sprayer. You can see it's making some field passes here. I'm gonna simply click the edit button, select product mix, and then let's go and select Summer Burn Down. Now the only other thing you have to do before you click save is select now or startup. If you select now, that means that from this point forward, from when you click the save, it's going to start using Summer Burn Down. If you do from startup, then basically all these green lines here, it'll basically show that you use this one product mix all day, basically, or since you started up that sprayer. So we're going to go from startup. So that way all of these fields will show a Summer Burn Down 1 on their electronic field record. So it's saving, and boom, simple as that. When the data reruns overnight, this product mix will be associated with it. So that's a live view, how you would add a product to a live view, that is. how would you add a product mix to a historical view? Well, let me show you. Let's click on the Fields button, and then you can scroll down to the fields which you conducted a spraying activity, or if you sprayed on multiple fields, you can click the EFR button, then select spraying. And here we can see all of the fields we've sprayed on. So let's go to 12A Roger, excuse me, and let's select this spraying EFR. So here we can look at the historical view of what we did on that day, or March 27th to March 30th. We simply just need to click the edit button and then select from the product list, summer burndown, and save. This historical view is a great way to add multiple product mixes throughout, say, a week, a month. Say you're doing a little bit of data cleanup on a rainy day. This is a great way to add those product mixes and make sure the data is all associated to the activity that you conducted. Thanks for your time. And if you need any more help, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.